Vivo launched its new mid-range phone under V70 lineup in Indonesia called Vivo V70 FE. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V70 FE features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1900 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7360 turbo chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V70 FE sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 200-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.7 by 76.2 by 7.59 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V70 FE has been priced in Indonesia for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 6,499,000 Indonesian rupiahs, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 7,199,000 Indonesian rupiahs. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 7,399,000 Indonesian rupiahs. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in ocean blue, muse purple, and titanium silver color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from March 13th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V70 FE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.